Okay, this question is about Pythagoras' theorem to start with at least. So if we take the two perpendicular sides and square them and add those together, we get 106.34. That's the first mark. If you get that done, that's the first mark. Now you don't have to have that written down for the first mark. You could have calculated the hypotenuse or the diameter by square rooting that and getting the answer 10.312 and so on and so on and so on. Now you do really need to show the square root of 106.34, otherwise we won't know how you got there, but the 10.312 or any number that's close to that gives you the mark for finding the length of that hypotenuse. Now that is the diameter, and you're going to use it to find the circumference by doing pi d or 2 pi r. You would have had to have divided the diameter by 2 to use it as 2 pi r, so something close to 5.15. Now, that would be your third mark, the use of the circumference using the value of 10.312 as the diameter. After you've used that, if you get 32.4 for 3 significant figures, that gives you all 4 marks for this question.